Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I want you to take a look at my control arms. This is the driver's side lower, driver's side lower, driver's side upper, driver's side upper. The uppers look pretty okay to me. The lower ones, it looks to me like, I want to get a good picture for you here. It looks to me like this control arm is moving that way. You see there's not much rubber left there, so it's moving backwards. And over here you see how that back bushing is compressed. I'm trying to focus it. See how that one's compressed, the back bushing, so that would indicate that the control arm is moving backwards also. The front moves backwards, the rear moves backwards. That's compressed. Now look at the outer part of the front, and it's expanded. So in the back compressed, the front expanded. So I think this is moving that way. I want to get your opinion on it. This is a C5 Z06 2013 with 12,000 miles, and I use it as appropriate for autocross and track. So I'm not going to bother showing you the passenger side. It's pretty much the same. I will show you the rears, though, just for the fun of it. On the rears, there's the upper trailing. Doesn't look too bad. That's the upper leading. The lower leading. And the lower trailing. Sorry, that little bit's in the way there. There. Okay. Lower trailing. Okay, so I don't know, to me, the backs don't look too bad. But let me know what you think about the original OEM rubber bushings on this front lower, okay? Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want notification. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye. So some of you guys and gals will remember on the C5 cars, C5 Z06 is what I had, we had trouble with the upper control arms and the bushings not staying where they're supposed to stay. And now on this C6 Z06, it seems like it's the lower control arms. And I know steering design, steering geometry changes and so on, yada yada. I'm not so much trying to get into a discussion of why. I just want to get your opinion. If there is some movement, is it enough movement right now that I need to do something about it, or not? I do not see any metal-to-metal binding at this point. Okay? So that's just some background on the C5Z. Bye.